Okay guys, it's me again, and if you saw the first part of my my RUGER PC9 video, you know, I went through a lot of safety and stuff like that, and wasn't drinking. But right now what I'd like to do, since it is a national holiday, is crack open an icy tall cold one. So, stick with me here on Uncle Robbie's Science Corner. Okay guys, you all know me, right? You know how much I love everything about guitars. You know how much I love sitting down, smoking cigarettes and drinking beer and working on guitars and talking to you guys. Like I said, firearms, you never, ever, 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 ever handle a firearm when you're drinking alcohol. And the great thing about the RUGER PC9 is, well, I want to put the M-LOK rail on here, but I also want to have a beer while I'm doing it. The great thing about the RUGER PC9 is, if you lock your bolt backwards, right? Okay? You hit your takedown lever, give it a little twist, pull the top off, right? Okay? There's your fore end. Here is your registered gun component. Now I'm going to put the fore end aside. Now the greatest thing about this, and every gun that you buy now will come with a gun lock. If it doesn't, in some states you can't leave the store without one. But anyway, gun locks are important. Gun locks are safety. Gun locks keep children from accidentally harming themselves with firearms. So what I'm going to do is show you the greatest feature that comes in the kit with this. And this is a real RUGER cable lock. Oh my God. And here's the keys, okay? And here's how you open it. You take the key and you stick it in here. Kind of works just like any regular padlock, except that just pops out. Now, the way to safely store this and actually deactivate it so no kids can get into it is to take the cable lock, thread it down through this, oh, that was just a chamber thing. Okay, sorry, I knocked it out with my fingers. Thread it down through here, push it in there, comes out here, then you lock it, okay? Then you take, locks are a pain in the neck, but you gotta use them. And what you do is you just twist that back, okay, to the unlock position, the lock. Wow, these are child safety locks. I can understand why they don't work, because, I mean, why kids can't get into them, because I can't do it. But now that's locked. That's their safe. And just to show you how serious I am about not using, handling, dealing with guns and alcohol at the same time, these are the keys, right? Oh. Wow. I'm going to have fun sifting through my poo-poos tomorrow to unlock this sucker. But anyway, this thing, oh God, they didn't go down good. Kids, don't try this at home. Uncle Robbie is a professionally trained psychotic. Anyway, that's locked up. That ain't going nowhere. Keys are in my belly. So now we can have fun, crack open a beer, and get back to messing with the upper. But like I said, this thing That's the way you safely store this. And that's how every firearm should be stored. With a cable lock through the action. And I'm going to put this in the other room right now. In my, you know, I have basically a gang box. You know, it's just a big metal box with a padlock. I'm going to go lock it up in there right now. But then I'm going to play with the forend. I'm going to put the M-LOK on. So you guys just chill out, all right? I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back. I just have the front end of this. The actual working gun part of it is locked in a gang box with a cable lock. It could be no safer because I don't have a pair of bolt cutters here, so if I did want to cut the cable lock off, I couldn't. And I just thought about it. It's going to probably be a little bit uncomfortable passing those two keys through my digestive system, but I'll let you know how it turns out. Anyway, so I got my yes, Uncle Robbie is serious about gun safety. Kids, don't ever be any less serious about gun safety than Uncle Robbie is. So anyway, here's the M-LOK. Now, what's really cool about this is, unlike the Magpuls, this M-LOK actually looks more like the Q. I forgot what they were called, but they were called Q-locks or something like that. Anyway, they were good design, but a little bit messed up because you had to slide them into the channel here and, you know, get them situated. But this has three, you can see, three little doohickeys that hang out, and it's got the little nubbies that fit inside to the channels for the rail. So when I hold this rifle, I hold it back here, and since the sights, okay, are over the barrel, you don't want to use a, you know, thumb over type of hold on this. You want to use it kind of like that, and this is the way I hold it most of the time. And most rifles I hold actually by the magwell, like definitely AR-15 type. When I was in the Army, my M16, when I was walking, I always held it like this, you know. So, you know, be your own judge if you have one of these or where you want to put this. But I decided just before that I want to put this M-LOK into here. I got to get the keyways straight. I got to get these little doohickeys into the thingamabobs. Okay. And there you go. So now it sits flat. Now what you want to do is take your Allen wrench and... what the hell did I do with that? Oh, see that? It went on my desk. My desk is the abyss. Okay. Here's the Allen wrench. Okay. And what you want to do is you want to get out your Allen wrench. Okay. And this rail actually does give you enough space to get your finger into here. So use one of your skinnier fingers if you can. But then just kind of give it a quick tightening in this one. You don't got to grill it, just give it a quick tightening. And then this one, like I said, you don't got to grill it, you just give it a quick tightening. Okay, you got to find a hole first. Like I said, I can never find a hole. And that's how you do it. And that's on. That's how quick and easy this installs. Now what you want to do, we give it a little torque. And I'm sure you could use blue Loctite on these if you wanted to. I don't think these are going to loosen up because they are so far right across the fore end, you know, the foregrip, that these things are never ever coming loose. Okay. Don't gotta gorilla it. Don't really gotta lose blue Loctite. I mean, I'll tell you in, you know, 1,000 rounds how it comes out, but anyway. And that's how you install that. And I just lost my wrench. It's a common size, though. I'm going to find it. I can see it right there on the floor. So that's installed now, okay? That means I can put a QD swivel here. You know, I've got one here. I can also put a bipod mount on here if I want. Or what's even cooler is I could take my little laser, which I don't have a battery in this right now, but this is actually a really nice one. This is called a Streamlight TRL4. Not one of their higher end ones. This doesn't have the metal housing. It's got a plastic housing. But I got this when Gander Mountain was going out of business. I think I got this for 75 bucks. I mean, it was like on such super like duper clearance. And what you do is you push this, you unscrew it a little bit, you push this in, right? Am I doing it right? Yeah, you push that in. I gotta let it out a little bit more. Okay? You push that in, and that opens up. And then what you do, you just kind of hunker it down onto there. And there you go. You've mounted your light and your laser on here. You got enough room to put a QD swivel. So you can use a QD swivel, sling swivel thing. Like I said, it's on my desk. I'm never going to find it. But everybody knows what a QD swivel looks like. And that's how you mount your laser. So anyway, guys, sitting here, gonna chug some beers, probably do a little bit more first aid videos today because I don't have anywhere to be. And, yeah, I love yous. Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Keep on rocking in the free world. Oh, God, it's icy cold, too. Love you. Bye-bye, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey kiddies, it's me. Welcome back to this very special Christmas. Okay kiddies, it's me. Merry Christmas. And welcome back to Uncle Ravi's Science Corner. I got a really special